Cecilia.
Hi. Hello.
How's life?
I'm pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic. Pleased to meet you.
I'm pleased to meet you too.
Wonderful.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Do you come to the class regularly?
Yes, I come to the class regularly.
Why do you come to the class regularly?
Because I want to learn new things. I want to learn the new vocabulary word, and I want to learn how to have a conversation. That's
Wonderful.
all. Do you come to the class regularly?
Yes, I come to the class regularly.
Why do you come to the class regularly?
Because I want to learn new things, I want to learn new words, and I want to develop my English skills.
Wonderful.
Did you come
The last class?
the last class?
Yes, I came the last class.
Why?
Because I want to know.
I wanted to know.
Because I wanted to know the new things, and I miss my friends.
I
missed my friends, and I missed the classroom. That's all. Did you come the last class?
Yes, I came the last class.
Why?
Because I want to be regular in the class and I want to learn new things. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is mashed potato.
Why do you like mashed potatoes?
Because it's salty. Because I like salty, and it's salty. And
I like salty, or I like salt.
I like salt, and
It is salty.
It is salty, and it's very tasty. That's why.
That's all.
That's all. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chow mein.
Why?
Because I like spicy foods and it's spicy. Tell me something about your future plan.
My future plan is to be a doctor.
Why do you want to be that?
Because I want to serve the sick people. What's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a doctor.
Why?
Because I want to help the poor peoples.
Poor people.
Poor people. What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sports is badminton. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sports is badminton. Who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is my mother. Well, who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is my mother.
Actor or actress?
Actress is my mother. Which one do you like, day or night?
I like day.
Why?
Because I can go to school. I love school, and I can go
Outside easily.
I can go outside easily, but I can't go outside at night.
Wow, wonderful. Give a big hand.
Which one do you like, day or night?
I like night.
Why?
Why?
Because in the night it's very cool.
At night?
At night it's very cool and I can see the moon and I can take rest.
Okay.
Do you watch television?
Yes, I watch television.
Why? Which TV program is your favorite?
My favorite TV program is Nick.
Why?
Why?
Because it's interesting and it's makes me happy. Do you watch television?
Yes, I watch television.
What's your favorite television program?
My favorite television program is Cartoon Network.
Why?
Because it's funny and enjoyable.
Good. Let's go to finish.
Thank you. To give me enough time.
Good.
Thank you,
too.
too.
Wonderful. Give a big hand. Thank you.